I saw an ad for a $14 DJI Mavic 3 on a website called Temu.com. Now, I've been getting a lot of emails from them to try to sponsor my videos, and it's like Wish trying to sponsor my channel after all the crap that I've done. So in today's video, I'm going to be buying this Mavic 3 drone and going through and seeing what we get. And the first thing that you'll notice is it's not $14, it's $34. It's got amazing reviews, 8,000 reviews plus of really good ratings, and it's got some really good item reviews. So I'm very curious to see what over 900, oh my gosh. Basically, this thing is popping off, obviously because it's a Mavic 3, and I actually have a Mavic 3 that I'm going to be interested to see what compares to, since they're advertising this as full obstacle avoidance, AI picture taking, you know, all these things. I'm going to be really curious to see how great this is when we get it. I'm going to go through buy this. I've selected the option. So we get a remote control, one battery, optical flow, HD pixel, and dual lenses, just like the Mavic 3 that it's advertising to me on YouTube. We've got a storage bag, a bolt driver, instructions. Now also keep in mind, unlike Wish, where Wish has a lot of resellers that they can't particularly moderate, you know, what they sell sometimes. There's a lot of things going on. Temu ran this ad, which means that like the company itself supported this product. It's a Mavic 3. They're advertising it as a Mavic 3 directly from the company. So I'm going to go through and buy this, clearly misadvertising. If we get anything other than the $1,000+ Mavic 3, unequivocally misadvertising basically what they're selling. Let's go through, add this to cart, and see what we actually get in the mail. And I've gone through and bought it now. So hopefully it shows up and we'll see what happens when we compare it. So my package from Temu arrived, the Mavic 3 drone. And in comparison, I actually have a Mavic 3. So right off the bat, this is about the length of the drone itself. I mean, like, yeah, definitely not the same packaging. So let's take a look, shall we? This is supposed to be a Mavic 3 drone. I also noticed that it's a little too high on the box side of things. The Mavic drone just is slightly too large. So let's take a look. Oh, this is fragile. So keep in mind, we've got great comparison now between the Mavic 3. I don't think this is a Mavic. And I'd be interested to see how many of the features it does that the Mavics promise to do. Okay. Drone X6. Well, I'm actually surprised it has some packaging. Definitely not a Mavic, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I got the Primo dual camera version, which this definitely does not look like it has any of the capabilities. Should have the optical flow on the bottom. It should have all of that. Which, this is what it is. It's missing a battery. I only see, oh, it only has one battery. This should have the optical flow camera on the bottom. It does. It looks like the camera is manually done. At least the button works. Power button works. I mean, like, come on guys, do I need to like tell you that this is the same thing? So a lot of the things that this advertises, maybe they were advertising the, you know, similar features as the Mavic. So it has like that 360 obstacle avoidance, which, funny enough, I am noticing that there is, it looks like infrared LEDs on the sides in some places. There's one in the top front here. There's one on the side here. Another one on the side here. It does look like there was at least an attempt. Let's put the battery in. 800 milliamps in comparison. The Mavic, yeah, 5,000 milliamp hours. This is 800 milliamp hours. We plug the sucker in. Turn this on. No noise, no nothing. This is not like bad, but also it's not going to have any of the features that's advertised. So let's take a look at this camera real quick. As you can tell, this has a whopping 1 lens, even though I paid extra money for the 2 lens option. Also, with the app, you can't actually export anything. So you can take all these pictures on this wonderfully high quality camera / video with maybe 3 FPS, maybe 5 if you're lucky. Basically, the quality on here is abysmal. The pictures are abysmal. There is no dual lens. I was promised a dual lens. And yeah, basically this is insane that I can take pictures. It does show them at least in the app, but you can't even export them. This app is abhorrently buggy, and I don't even know how I'd pull pictures compared to what the Mavic 3 puts out with both like a telephoto and a regular lens. You look at some of these pictures that I took over my town over the last year or so, and it's absolutely wonderful. So obviously, you're not getting that HD 20 megapixel quality from this $15 drone. And we're going to try flying into this tree real quick, and it won't let me. So this is what the normal drone's supposed to look like. I'm holding it down all the way. It's not letting me. Also, look how stable this is. We're going to compare this to the other one. Look how stable this is. This is $2,000 worth of drone. I'm not going to deny that this other drone looks and is relatively great for the price, but you're advertising, the company, Temu, is advertising to people and people are expecting to get that level of obstacle avoidance and quality when, in fact, that's not what you're going to get. Temu, the company, not some seller on Wish, the company, Temu, is advertising, which is beyond wrong. I don't know how you even there's no way to justify it. It's wrong, it's immoral, and someone should be able to at least sue them for that because you're advertising in that way. That's crazy. So we're gonna check fly with the other drone. We're going to do some picture comparisons. We're gonna check the 2 different types of pictures. Drone here. We'll check it out with this tree real quick. See if it flies. Time to tear up my camera. Does it have obstacle avoidance? No, it does not have obstacle avoidance. This is supposed to have 360-degree obstacle avoidance. That doesn't look like 360-degree obstacle avoidance to me. I mean, I'll give it credit where credit's due. It flew better than I expected. It's flown better than a lot of Wish drones, but that's flat out lying. There's no way this is a Mavic. No way this is 360-degree obstacle avoidance. And I'm really gonna call out Temu here because you're advertising it directly from Temu, the company, as a Mavic 3. Temu is intentionally misleading customers to buy this drone. Is it a bad drone? No, I think it's actually, for the price, pretty solid. It flies better than a lot of crap that I've gotten that's like $200, $300. But it still doesn't have anything that it's advertised with. I'm going to link the FTC's report fraud website in the description so you guys can go through and report this, because there is absolutely no excuse. Compared to Wish, which used the excuse of, oh, we can't regulate sellers, this is a company endorsing and advertising a product on their own website that they knowingly know is false and misleading. Please make sure you go down in the description and read that up and maybe even submit a report. Obviously, maybe check and see if you get these ads too. But no, this is flat out immoral. There are no excuses here. A company is intentionally misleading people on the internet and pretty much advertising something that there's no way it could ever be close to. You know, it's sad too because this is actually not a bad drone, and the drone itself is very reasonably priced for what it is. and no issues with it. It's just the fact that it's so abhorrently misadvertised. It looks like it might even be illegal.